Hi guys, it's Michaela with Your Everyday Woman. So today I just decided that I wanted to do a quick little June unboxing Boxycharm for you guys to make it a fun, light-hearted thing. So with that, here's some of the contents in the box. Here's the theme of the box. It is Oasis. And let's go ahead and get started. To start, I got this Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. Which, I mean, high-end face washes I don't typically do just because it's like not my thing. But I mean, I always enjoy getting a good high-end face product or face wash to try out. So I am curious as to how this looks. And with that came this this Kylie Skin $5 off of purchase. So I'll probably go ahead and do that today, and that retails for $24. The next item on our list is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB cream. It's honestly been a long time since I've used a BB cream. It was kind of my staple go-to when I was in high school, just as a quick little tinted moisturizer, so I'm looking forward to using that, and that retails for $35. Next up on my list is it's this Tula skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This was my choice for the month. I actually had almost placed this in an Ulta order last month, but when I had found that this was part of one of the options for Boxycharm, I decided to go ahead and just add it to my Boxycharm because it's a little bit cheaper. So I was excited to do that, and I'm excited to try this out. And this retails for $28. Next up on our list is this iconic London Illuminator. When I was looking at spoilers, I was really hoping that this was going to be my box, so I am so excited. I don't know how well the lighting is going to pick it up, but there's a little swatch on my hand there. I'm still don't have my filming equipment up, so once I get that going again, these videos will be a little bit more precise and put together, but for right now this is kind of the swatch I have, and I am looking forward to mixing this in with my foundation and seeing the kind of things I can do with it. I don't do a lot with illuminators like this, so I'm excited to play with it, and this actually retails for $41. Last up on my list is these Lashaholic luxury lashes. It says that they are a lightweight, soft cotton brand that'll leave your eyes loving you. They're made with a light crisscross pattern and taper ends for a natural glam look. Look at the packaging. It's so beautiful, and it's pink. You all know I love pink. And then here are what the lashes look like. Very rarely do I actually wear false eyelashes, but when I do enjoy it. So I'll crack these out for a special occasion at some point here in the near future. But yeah, overall, sorry this video is like in and out. I'm like all over the place with my camera. Like I said, I promise I'll get it to a place where we're a little bit more steady. I do plan on getting my camera equipment out in the next week or so, so hopefully the next couple of videos will have like a steady equipment that we're working with. But overall, I'm actually excited for this box. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to being able to play around with these products. There's nothing in here that I won't necessarily use except for maybe the lashes, but even then, you know, it's like the stuff I don't think I'll use, I actually end up really liking. So we'll just have to see. And if you guys would like to see a review after I have played with these products, just let me know, and I will certainly do an additional review on them. But with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I'm thinking about, with future Boxycharms, maybe doing a try-on style. So if you guys would like to see a try-on style video, please let me know, and I can definitely start doing my Boxycharms in that format. But anyway, with that, I will see you in the next video. God bless, and bye guys.